Hello everyone, and this is your end of course training for this school year 2017-2018. Thanks for watching the video, and just let me know if you have any questions about anything you hear in here. First of all, please make sure that you guys read over the testing manual. Tracy Fields will be giving these to you. Read over the directions for logging in about your subject matter. You will receive a label for each student. If your test has 2 sessions, examiners must collect the label to be used the second day. Students are not allowed to retain possession of the logins. You may want to put some on note cards to hand out to your students. Make sure when you receive the labels you go through them and that you have a label for every student. And if you don't see a label that you need, make sure you let us know as soon as possible. You will have a sign to put outside your door that will tell everybody that you are testing. And again, please make sure to look over that roster. Make sure compare it with semester 2 to make changes. Please double check. Please arrange your room for test security. Most importantly, the students should be sitting where they cannot see the screens of other students. And if you need help in our ideas of setting up your room, please let us know. Any academic or curriculum themed posters must come down, or they should be covered. Motivational posters are okay, but it's anything that curriculum-wise, if it has formulas, if it has the writing process, all of those things need to be taken down or covered up with paper. And Mrs. Fields will be emailing teachers with plans if you have students who are receiving accommodations during testing. To begin testing, ask students to turn off cell phones or leave in their lockers, and please note the prohibited materials. Please read directions from the script, so it needs to be verbatim. Not doing so can invalidate the test. Students can have scratch paper for the English writing prompt, unlabeled grid or graph paper for the math assessments and biology performance event, and they will not need a calculator because that is a tool on their EOC screen, and they can have something to write with. Student will turn on the Chromebook. They will not log in, and they will find the word apps at the bottom left-hand side of the Chromebook next to the shutdown button. Have students click on Questar. This will take students right to the login page. We will have tech here for the first sessions of the day, but please contact the office if you have a question or problem. If you have trouble logging a student on and tech is not in the room, you can call Erica at 31810 or Becky at 31888, and they will be able to radio someone to get you some help. Please monitor during testing, making sure that students are not on any other site or cheating or looking at other computer screens, things like that. They can use the Control F function for find, and there's no way to turn off that option. So it's something to just be aware of. If we need to move a student because they are not finished and you have another group coming in, they need to hit pause on the test and log out. They then should be able to go back into the library. Just send the student down with the login information. Also, students need to log out of the test and off of the computer. We're using a lot of bandwidth during testing, so please do not allow students to play games, surf the internet, anything like that. They need to have something not computer related to work on. If there's any kind of suspected cheating on the test, please let somebody know right away. No need to worry about sending us the names of absences or anything like that for kiddos who need to make up tests. We'll pull those right off the testing screen. After testing, please destroy the iTester logins and use scratch paper. And we are telling students about, I know it previously used to be 10% of the grade. We're not sure when our EOC scores will be coming in for the grades. And also send anything back to us that needs to be done for testing. Any scratch paper or things like that needs to be destroyed. If there are any questions, please contact one of us. Tell your kiddos good luck, and we will thank you for watching this video.